So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. Alright guys, so here I am splitting my hair into sections because that is what works best for me. And this heat protector is called Proclaim, and I don't really like it in my hair. As you can see, it has keratin in it. I just feel like there's other products that are way better, and I can't remember where I got this from because I got it so long ago. But I am using my blow dryer right now to blow dry out my hair and get it right so it could be nice and silky and straight. Also, while I'm blow drying my hair, I use a brush and I brush it out after I have sprayed the heat protector in, and then I get to it. Also, what I can say, I am not a big fan of this Proclaim heat protector. I am more of a Silky Essentials person. I will put the image and you can find it at Sally. If you guys know any other good heat protectors, please comment down below because your girl needs help. I'm out here damaging my hair and I'm just trying to be cute. Alright, so now that I am done with blow drying this side of my hair, I am now tying my hair up. So I get that side out of the way and then I start on the next side. And if any of you guys were wondering how I got my hair this color, I actually went to Sally's and got a boxed hair dye for about like $7. I had to get two. I got it in golden and then I forgot the other color, but I'll link it down below. And I just dyed my hair by myself, and about 5 months later it's damaged. As you guys can see, I have parted the back of my hair and now I am brushing out my damaged ends because I dyed them and I did not deep treat it, which, girl, please pray for me. Honestly guys, look at those dead ends. Like, look at that. They're making me so sad, so freaking sad. And I'm doing the worst thing anybody could do. What am I doing? I'm flat ironing my hair again, because guess what? Sometimes curly girls want that straight hair, but is it worth it in the end? When you start seeing your curls and they're messed up, no, it's not. Alright guys, so now that I have finished blow drying my hair, it is time for me to bring out my Chi flat iron that I got from JCPenney's, I believe, or one of those places. I don't remember. I'll link it down below. But look at me all happy damaging my hair. Did I care at the time though? No, I did not. Did I suffer the consequences? Yes, I did indeed. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's heat coming and the heat is very strong. Look at me coughing, but it's okay. I'm acting like I'm not burning my hair. Maybe I did realize I was burning my hair in the moment, but did I care though? No, I did not. But anyways guys, I love sectioning my hair. Sectioning your hair into like smaller pieces just makes the hair more straight and more better. Also guys, I just wanted to say that I did my nails by myself, which is in this video, and I used the products Mia Secret, and I also have a video on me doing that, which is kind of old, but I will be making more nail videos, hair videos, and everything, so you guys could just hit that subscribe button. I just have to say guys, this Chi flat iron is so good, but if you are a person who does not want to damage your hair, do not use it, because girl, the kind that I have, at least, it doesn't have anything for me to set like a temperature or anything. Also, comment down below some good flat irons. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my hair, straightened and you know, damaged. So pray for me. Sad. The heat protectant that I use is very like oily, like when you put it in my hair. I mean, when you put it in your hair. This isn't the one that I normally use, but it's heat protectant and I really needed it, and I wasn't about to go and like, you know, drive out to Sally's. It's too cold outside.